You may need to troubleshoot issues with your Hobart Legacy Plus mixer. Here are some common issues, as well as some common maintenance for your mixer. Installations and repairs carried out by non-authorized service technicians, use of non-original replacement parts, or technical alterations to the mixer may affect the mixer warranty. If your mixer won't start, is the timer flashing? You may need to enter a time. Is the mixer overloaded? Look for an error code on the time window. Is the wire cage in the front center position? Is the bowl closed and locked and in the raised position? If the agitator is touching the mixing bowl, is the bowl in the raised position? Is the agitator installed correctly? Do you have proper agitator clearance? If the agitator comes into contact with the bowl before the lift arm is into position, you need to adjust the stop screws. Turn off and unplug your mixer. The stop screws are located behind the apron on the 12 and 20 quart mixers. Turn the screw counterclockwise to increase clearance or clockwise to decrease clearance, and then replace the apron. Stop screws and stop nuts on the 60, 80, and 140 quart mixers are located behind the apron. Loosen the stop nut and then adjust the stop screw counterclockwise to increase clearance and clockwise to decrease clearance. Reconnect the power supply when finished. For your Legacy Plus mixer's best performance, you should periodically measure the agitator clearance for adjustments. Add enough flour to the bottom of the bowl where the agitator travels. Run the mixer at the lowest speed briefly. Measure the depth of the area where the agitator left its path in several places. The maximum clearance for types and sizes of agitators are listed in your Hobart Legacy Plus mixer instruction manual. If your planetary seal is squeaking, it needs lubrication. Work some lubricant or mineral oil under the lip of the seal. The slideways and bowl path area of all mixers should be lubricated with Lubriplate 630 AA twice a year. The apron will need to be removed on some models and reattached after lubrication. 60 quart and up mixers have a few additional maintenance items. Your mixer's agitator shaft should be lubricated at least twice a year with a thin coat of mineral oil. The mixer top can be removed to reveal the transmission belt and the transmission plug to access the oil dipstick. If the oil is low, you will need to add transmission oil. If the belt is worn, call a Hobart service technician for maintenance. If the time window is displaying an alarm code, first try unplugging the mixer and plugging it back in. If this does not work or you are having other issues, please contact your Hobart service office.